Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning the greater than or equal to and the less than or equal to symbols. So, how could we make sure we got paid at least the amount we expected in our paycheck? We could use the greater than or equal to or less than or equal to symbol. So, what is this symbol? So I'm gonna, I know I just went over that really quick, so I'll just go to the side here. And really teach you guys here a little mini lesson. So we have so in real life we have I'll make this bigger for y'all. We have a greater than, right? We have a greater than, which basically means that um, a number is greater than another number. So for example, if we have like 7 and we have like 10, right? 10 is obviously greater than 7, so this is the symbol. But what if we had a number, uh, what if we had 7, right? This would be false unless you add this in, which this is the real life equivalent to this, and then having that little line under it, so less than or equal to. So it essentially means the same, or greater than or equal to. It means the same thing, and then the same thing goes for the less than or equal to, and then less than or equal to. So, for example, if we had, let's say 5, and you had the less than, uh, my bad, guys. That's the greater than symbol. This is the less than symbol. I don't know why I'm tripping, but I'm tripping today. All right, here we go. That's what it should be. This is the greater than, and remember it's less than because this looks like an L. All right, so that's basically the gist of this entire lesson. So basically, it's saying your paycheck is 620, and then you make about 15.50 an hour, and you work for 40 hours. So this will return true due to the single fact that it has the equals to. If it didn't have this, then that would be false because they would be equal to each other and it wouldn't be greater than. Anyways, you have been trying to complete a 30-day challenge to drink enough water per day. Create a double variable called total recommended amount and set it to the product of the recommended water intake and the amount of days in the challenge. All right, perfect. So we need to create a double variable called total recommended water amount, not water, amount. And then set it to the product of the water intake. So we'll do it recommended water intake. Water intake. And then set the price. Oh, I already wrote this. My fault. Yeah, this is basically it. So they already have it written out for us. I don't know why they wanted us to do it, but oh, it has an error. Okay, I see. So let's fix the error. So it says total recommended amount. Got it. Set it to the product of the recommended. Oh, recommended. There we go. Try running it now. It gets good. All right. Create a Boolean variable called is challenge complete. Okay, so we'll do Boolean, call it is challenge complete. And we're gonna set it to the result of your intake. Your water intake is at least as much as the total recommended water. So we'll we'll keep a little space right here and we'll do total recommended water or no amount. And we have, let me make this a little nicer for you guys here. There we go, okay. So, right here, saying we need to do it as least as much as that. So, as least, meaning that's the least we can have it. So, how we do that is we're gonna do the less than or equal to because it says least. So let's see if this works. Okay. Expected to see false printed. Okay, this is. Oh, because we didn't print out anything. That makes sense. This is the dot out dot print line. And then we'll do is challenge complete. Let's try running it around. False is to be expected. Is it the other way around? I think it's the other way around. That's crazy. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. And then the next video, I'll talk about the dot equals method, which is a very important method. So yeah, till then.